CCTV Lone Rashapi daga Frank Motors Kajaka dekali ga bathamai jong Tata Motors halat ko ni Shillong ringkat bakanet foodish ordal mapi nginwan ramani hakir dobyeng jongpi
Menteri ke Sorkar Pdeng Peit ya ke Law and Justice Kiren Rijiju hagala asngiu belai jong khat pratrik ubnaya yong arajar arpuar ulalai yu kejat hari Bhoi district ke district balai itu de ke Sorkar India kum ke wei ki aspirational district da Pdeng ki shispa khat artli ki district ki bala sha jet hapo kari India de ke benta ban Peit Pyrman ya ki kam Pynroi ki bala bang de ke Sorkar Pdeng hagani ke district bat ke badonru hapo kani ke jilna Mikalia hagani ke jingle yo kejat hari Bhoi district Rijiju ulayo lat ban yekendo ki officer Sorkar ne kitna trekam ba pher hag jingelang ke balalong ha conference hall jong ko office deputy commissioner ke Bhoi district handong po hagani ke jingelang na lor ke office ne kitna trekam ba pher ki bala shim bentalang ru da deputy commissioner jong ke Bhoi arpit upadhyaya Superintendent of Police Jong Bhoi Giri Prasad, but Kintobru Additional Deputy Commissioner Bhoi Uba MB Tongpe.
Today I am here in Bhoi district in Meghalaya and I personally took the review meeting of the aspirational district program, all the activities being undertaken in Bhoi district. First of all, I must compliment the entire officials of the district Bhoi for a remarkable jump in the overall ranking of Bhoi district in All India list. From 51 rank in 2018, it has come to 5th rank amongst 112 aspirational districts of the country. Although the ranking keeps changing every month, but at the present time it is rank 5, which is very, very encouraging. There are certain issues which we had discussed today in brief. I had pointed out, if we can take care of some of the issues, then it can go up to top also. But having said that, all the officers are working extremely hard. The Deputy Commissioner here and his entire official team of the district are doing excellent job. There is good support from the state government. The Secretary Planning also participated in the meeting, so he made certain positive and useful interventions which the state government and the district authorities of Bhoi can sit together and chalk out and bridge all those gaps or certain shortcomings. Aspirational district is a very, very important program which is being monitored by Niti Aayog. India is destined to become one of the most important economic hub of the world. Our target is to get India into the 5 trillion economy. So Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji has set $5 trillion economy target for next 2-3 years time. For that, there are certain districts in India which are becoming a problem in reaching the target. So we identified those 112 districts. If we take care of the issues of those 112 districts, then India's immediate goal of reaching $5 trillion economy will be arrived soon. We can achieve, we can succeed faster. Are the micro irrigation issue where there need to be some more drastic step to increase the conservation of water resources, make drinking water access to all the schools, all the villages, all the important units of the district. So catchment area treatment and micro irrigation will require some more push. And then in education sector, the teacher pupil ratio and some of the schools which are not yet given the drinking water and electricity facilities. These issues need to be tackled at the urgent basis.